In order for your investment provide satisfactory result, do not be lazy to find information and learn it. Here are some things to consider before you invest in stock. First, consultation before buying stocks. Before you invest in stocks, you need to understand how to buy Indonesian shares on the stock exchange. How? You must first open a stock account in your name. Opening an account is done through the securities company shares. The other process. You will ask to fill the formular application to open the inventory statement with attach your address, your business identification, the hair identification, and copy your savings account book. Transaction will do with one and other company. After you have a saving account book, you can buy a stock that you wanted. Do a consultation when you choose a stock before you buy it. You must active to ask and study the stock of company that have a good project.
Second, monitor information company shares. Before you buy a stock, learn simple fundamental analysis on the condition of company stock that you choose. Perform monitoring on news related to the company. The purpose of monitoring is to see the condition of the company, if the company is to grow and develop healthily and be profitable or otherwise. In addition, notice other news such as the business plan of the company, whether the company has plans to expand the business, the acquisition of new companies, or otherwise have a plan for the reduction or shrinking business. Learn also the performance of the company shares have been listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange or BEI. You can get a lot of information on the BEI website about the company's prospectus, company's profile, financial reports, to other capital market news. The goal, so you can see the progress of your company's stock, such it's closely related to the result of investment that will earn. If the company has a good business plan and grow healthy, its share will also experience the same things.
3. Do an analysis technical. As an investor, you must learn how to do simple analysis that you have chosen. The purpose is the stock that you have bought will have the good sell. You must observe the stock by see the movement chart. This will affect the decision of sell or purchase transaction. If the company stock price that you secure cheap, and you believe the stock has good in the future, then this becomes the timing or the right time to buy. Or understand external risk of stock. Besides the internal risk, investation in capital market also be affected by external risk. The value of your investment in the stock market may rise or fall due to external factors. Among others, economic condition or economic slowdown or acceleration of the economy in the country, global economic condition, the stability of the domestic political condition, the effect of the rupiah against the US dollar, government policy, and so forth.
5. Avoid buying just one type stock. Again carefully. Stock of the capital market investment instruments are emerging in Indonesia. Stock investing can be profitable in large quantities if you fully understand how to play the stock for investment. It could be otherwise. You could lose money because playing stock. Avoid investment only on one type of specific stock. In anticipation of various external and internal factors which will cause your stock price decline. Invest all your money in one stock alone. Risk of loss is greater than you divide your funds to buy 2 or 3 types of stocks. The reason, if one of your stocks loses, you are still likely to reap a profit from shares you more.
6 checks facility have companies. How to invest shares safely is to understand the investment strategy to minimize a risk happening so you can maximize profit investment. Before decided to buy stock, should be checking liquidity of the company shares will you buy, if the stock's liquid and good to bulk or otherwise. Read and learn the details of financial data company is from the website, Exchange Indonesian IVEC or address to company's website. Learn and watch the value of ratio financial important. Do analysis of the fundamental to see the value of stock price, profit or stock in its financial report. To conduct analysis of the technical to see the trend change in the price market better than the volume and stock price.
7. Selective to choose a company's securities or property. Of all the tips, the most important things that make sure that you choose securities companies listed on the Financial Service Authority. You can also be checking liquidity broker as penjamin emisi efek or perantara pedagang efek on the website Bursa Efek Indonesia. Checking its financial report the company and check credibility is in to provide information routinely about investment to his client.